This tool converts ARKit facial mocap data in CSV format to XPF and XAF files required for IMVU. The tool eliminates the need to first import the animation into a 3D software like Blender before exporting to the file formats required for IMVU. Before continuing with this video, it is recommended you watch the video on ARKit facial motion capture linked in the description to see how to generate animation data in the CSV file format required for this video. Once you've generated your CSV file, following the steps in the video, you may proceed. With the tool page open, click Browse CSV. Then select your CSV file from where it was saved. If the CSV file is formatted properly, your facial motion capture animation should begin playing now. You may use the stop and play buttons to pause and resume animation preview. The trim sliders may be used to reduce the length of the animation from the start and end frames. The FPS value should be set to the FPS the video was made in. Bone ID should be left at 22 for animations intended for IMVU avatars, else the value may be changed to the ID of the head bone of the target skeleton. You may also load a custom FPX with the required shape keys and head bone to preview it if desired. Once satisfied with the preview, save the XPF file for the face animation data and the XAF file for the head rotation data if needed. In IMVU, derive from an empty action product. Make sure your avatar is wearing an ARKit animation compatible head for a successful preview. Check the video's description for such heads. Load into the project the XAF and XPF files under the Actions tab. Set the loops to 0 if an infinite looping effect is desired. Click Preview and you should see your animation now. If you found this tool helpful, be sure to leave a comment. Also, leave any questions you may have concerning any part of this video in the description. Thank you for watching.